Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Hello and welcome to Christmas Time in the City. My name is Chris. And that is some sort of metal saw. We're in Times Square. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to do a quick video to showcase the snow globes that are here showcasing some of the fun Broadway shows. Broadway has returned to New York City. Times Square Alliance set these up so you can have a look. This is the Wicked snow globe. I wonder if during the night these things actually produce snow. I don't know. I was here last night. I should have looked. Ain't Too Proud to Beg, the story of the Temptations. They are rocking around the Christmas tree, if you will. Not their song. And then you have Dear Evan Hansen. It's an apple tree. For those that know what that means, I don't know. I didn't see this yet, or I haven't seen the movie. I heard the movie is a little weird with the main actor being like almost 30. And then finally, from The Lion King. That one's kind of eerie. But yeah, Broadway's back here in Times Square in New York City. Feel free to come check it out. I believe most theaters are requiring vaccination proof or this, that, and the other. You know how it works now. And you also have to wear masks inside. That's just how we're doing it. So thanks so much for watching this short video. If you like this content, please do us a favor and like it and subscribe for more content just like this very soon. We have all kinds of stuff planned. I'm actually going to go film like 3 more things today. So until next time, I'm Chris, and this is Christmas Time in the City.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with
Christmas Time in the City.